Hi, my name is Chef Ben Diaz, and today I'm going to show you how to make shrimp scampi while going camping. So the reason we're making this dish is it's a simple and delicious dish to make while you're out in the outdoors. First, in a large saute pan or medium-high heat, add 2 tablespoons of canola oil. Next, add 6 large shrimp. Season lightly with salt and pepper. Cook your shrimp for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side, turning occasionally. Now add 1 tablespoon of capers, followed by 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, and 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. Cook for 2 minutes. Now add 1/4 cup of white wine, followed by 2 tablespoons of butter. Cook gently for about 4 to 5 minutes. Finally, your sauce should be really thick and reduced. What you have is great, simple, creamy sauce for your shrimp scampi you can do for any camping trip.